Hi everyone, I just want to give a demonstration of this website I've created called rsearch. I actually made this a few years ago. Basically it's been a portfolio project, but it's starting to eat up money from hosting costs, and so I'm just going to make this video to show as a demonstration in my portfolio so I can shut down the server. So as background, basically the purpose of this website is so you can enter a topic and the website will do what I call a recursive search of that topic. So what I mean by a recursive search is you'll enter a keyword and then my server in the background will Google that keyword, and whatever it finds it will append the keyword to new keywords that it finds and then Google that. So if you Google Ruby, you'll get stuff about Ruby on Rails. So Rails is one of the most common resulting keywords from the query Ruby. So then you Google Ruby Rails, and framework is one of the most common resulting words in that query. So if we want to try something that's current for right now, say we can do 5G towers, and let's see what that gives us. So right now in the background, my server is recursively searching those using the Google Search API, which is a paid API. You can't use that for free. Okay, so what do we get? Conspiracy, that's a good one, and COVID, obviously, and virus. So you can see this is like a direction here. These topics are related to 5G towers through this. So whereas here we can see that there's not so much, conspiratorial content. This is more just about radio emissions. And you'll see some links popping up in the lower left, and those are the sources for this keyword. So what this is telling us is that if we Google 5G towers, we're going to get a bunch of results about conspiracy coming from these results. So if we just want to follow that through and see what we get here, you get an article about 5G coronavirus conspiracy. Okay, so you could actually log in here, and I'll just show you my own personal account. And the purpose of creating an account here is to track a topic over the long term. So instead of entering everything on the main page and looking at the results daily, you can create an account and set up a topic, and then you can see the changes in the results over the long term. And if something changes, you'll get an alert. So roadometry is a side business of mine. I entered it some time ago here, so you can see this is the first result I got. And then you'll notice later on you get some bright green results, and these mean that this is the first time that that topic has been found. So for example, up until this search query, the word seconds was not as prominent in the results when you Google roadometry. So if we want to know why seconds is coming up, let's just take a look and follow that through here. And this is because it's picking up on the YouTube channel for my roadometry business where we publish tutorials. So I just wanted to add a little bit of technical background here. This server, the rsearch server, is developed using Ruby on Rails, and this interface here is just raw JavaScript using some SVG to do these displays here. So basically the stack is Ruby on Rails and then just vanilla JavaScript. And it connects to a Google API and a Yahoo API. You cannot use an automated method for doing Google queries without eventually getting blocked. So that's the purpose of all those reCAPTCHA things. If you've run into those, if you create a server that hits the Google servers a whole bunch and it looks robotic, you'll get blocked or you'll get asked to fill out a CAPTCHA. So the way to work with Google with their blessing is to pay for their API, and you pay a few cents per query or something like that.